It is an invention that will allow future versions of Swagbit to operate fully autonomously, detecting and eliminating weeds and performing other tasks that will increase agricultural productivity. The Trinciatris forstale is a powerful machine that effectively shreds dense vegetation, shrubs, branches, and small trees, making land ready for agricultural, construction, or landscaping projects. It reduces the risk of fire by cleaning dry and flammable materials under the forest and helps organize parks, gardens, and green areas. Trabro Harvestec is a machine designed for grass producers that performs automatic grass harvesting and stacking operations. This machine optimizes the grass harvesting process, offering high efficiency and durability. Lemken Joule series aims to increase the productivity of farmers by offering user-friendly and high-performance plows that meet the needs of modern agriculture. Dino is an autonomous weeding robot designed for vegetable growers. This robot offers an environmentally friendly solution by reducing the use of chemicals in agricultural fields and eases the workload of farmers. Pelunk S Harvester is an expert at picking grapes and olives. It does not damage the grapes when plucking them from the branch and minimizes product loss. Additionally, thanks to its built-in sensors, it analyzes each fruit one by one and separates the ones that are not ripe. These machines provide effective solutions in difficult working conditions, making peat producers' jobs easier and increasing their productivity. Additionally, Meripete S Mount 700 crawler tractor is designed to provide superior traction and performance, especially in difficult terrain. Meeting both environmental and industrial requirements in peat production, Meripete is a globally recognized symbol of reliability. It is a multifunctional off-road crane and transport system developed by Mystagum. This system is designed to transport and lift heavy loads safely and efficiently, especially in difficult terrain conditions. The Tubeline TL6500 is an advanced inline bale wrapper designed to efficiently wrap both round and square bales, making it ideal for high-volume custom wrapping operations. The Doll Logo 12K is a robust and versatile semi-trailer designed for the efficient transportation of both short and long timber. Its construction ensures durability and adaptability across various terrains, making it a reliable choice for timber transport operations. The Toro Groundsmaster 4000D is a robust rotary mower engineered for large-scale turf maintenance, offering efficiency and versatility for various mowing tasks. The Vyric tractor, developed by William Technics, is a high-tech, safe, and user-friendly multifunctional tool carrier designed primarily for viticulture. Its compact design, with widths ranging from 90 cm to 115 cm, allows it to operate efficiently in vineyards with narrow rows and steep slopes. The X1 robot represents a significant advancement in precision agriculture, offering an environmentally friendly solution to weed management by minimizing chemical usage and enhancing crop yields.
The new generation of Straubmann self-propelled fodder mixing wagons makes the labor-intensive dairy cattle feeding procedure much easier, thus saving time, money, and labor. Due to homogeneously mixed components, the cows can no longer select the fodder. All animals are optimally fed from the physiological point of view and less prone to diseases, which lead to healthy cows and a high degree of profitability. An enhanced version of Robolio. In addition to the increased reliability of the electrical system, Robomax has communication screens and a remote control application. With Robomax, the affiliated bench manufacturers have nothing to envy others. A producer can afford the latest milking technology and a better quality of life without the debt and headaches of big projects. Before milking, the cow's udder and teats should be cleaned to remove dirt and bacteria. This can be done with a cloth or a special pre-milking teat disinfectant. The milking cups, also known as cluster units, are then attached to the cow's teats. These cups have a liner that creates a seal around the teat, and they are connected to a vacuum pump that helps to extract the milk. Once the cups are attached, the milk flow may need to be stimulated by gently massaging the udder or using a machine that uses a combination of vacuum and massage to stimulate milk letdown. As the milk is extracted, it flows through tubes and into a storage container. The milking process typically takes around 15 to 20 minutes per cow, depending on the size of the herd and the individual cow's milk production. Once the milking is complete, the cups are removed from the cow's teats and the cow is released back into the pasture. The milk is then cooled and stored until it is transported to a processing facility. There are several types of machines that can be used to clean cow feet. Some examples include hoof trimming chutes, hoof baths, and hoof rotary brushes. Hoof trimming chutes are large, stationary structures that hold the cow in place while the hooves are trimmed and cleaned. They may also have built-in brushes or jets for cleaning the hooves.
Heavy-duty trencher handles pipeline projects with high-volume spoil removal through an extra-wide 36-inch, 9 cm, dirt conveyor opening. A rotary power trencher drive motor and splined headshaft produce a lower speed and higher torque, which provides superior ground penetration and low chain wear for better production results. The powerful 37 horsepower 3-cylinder diesel engine provides enough capacity to drive the 2,600 kilograms heavy harvester between rows. Measuring 5 meters long, 2.5 meters wide and 2.2 meters high, the Harvey.1 harvester is ideal for use on the smallest plots. The driving drive as well as the screening nets are infinitely adjustable so that the operator is always responsive to changing conditions. For optimum soil protection and traction, the harvester is equipped with 2 Caterpillar tracks. It includes the installation of aluminum piping to distribute the water from the source to the site. A main line runs across the field with a series of side pipes that are moved to irrigate the field in sections. This makes farming and harvesting relatively easy. Unfortunately, this luxury is not always guaranteed. Agricultural machinery manufacturers have to adapt their offerings to cope with the ever-changing land demands of their customers. The new Fendt 5275 CSL combine has been developed especially for extremely rough areas. Butte Disc sells a proprietary disc chain that achieves better results from fewer passes. The best part? Our discs can be mounted on new frames as well as retrofitted into your existing ones. Weights can be added while the discs are still attached, giving you 4 different chain weights in one system. These are the machines we currently have in stock at Richard Western. All machines listed below are covered by the Richard Western warranty for manufacturing excellence. is equipped with a technically sophisticated hydraulic control block and an electronic control unit. All functions are centrally controlled from the driver's seat via the control unit using the joystick and a touchscreen display. One oil circuit with about 45 liters of oil is required and one pressure-free return on the tractor. No additional control equipment is needed. The 3 store loaders of the SL80 series with 14.5 meters, 16.5 meters or 18.5 meters lengths convince with their high efficiency as well as the robust and long-living design, low maintenance inclusive. Loose products as potatoes, onions, carrots or grain are quickly and well stored with a remote control. The electro-hydraulic drives with infinite speed adjustment ensure gentle storing of the crop. Polaris will present the new 2-meter version of its Tiger Maze Comb for the front loader and shovel at Agritechnica. The new Tiger Maze Comb with a length of 2 meters, just like the 4-meter variant, is available in widths of 180, 230 and 300 centimeters. With the new comb, Polaris hopes to reach dairy farmers in addition to biogas companies.
A lettuce farm is a type of agricultural operation that specializes in the cultivation of lettuce. Lettuce is typically grown in fields or greenhouses, and farmers use a variety of methods to ensure that the lettuce grows properly. This can include using irrigation systems, fertilizers, and pesticides. Some lettuce farms also use specialized equipment, such as transplanters, to plant and harvest the lettuce. Lettuce can be grown in many different climates, but most lettuce farms are located in regions with mild winters and cool summers. Lettuce is a short-day plant, which means it requires less than 12 hours of daylight to trigger the process of making a head. A cotton farm is a type of agricultural operation that specializes in the cultivation of cotton. Cotton is a perennial plant that is grown primarily for its fibers, which are used to make a wide range of products, including clothing, textiles, and household items. Cotton is mainly grown in warm and dry climates, where the temperature and rainfall are favorable for its growth. Cotton farming typically involves the use of large amounts of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. Cotton is a heavy feeder and requires a lot of water, especially during the critical stages of growth. Farmers use irrigation systems to provide the necessary water to the cotton plants, and they may also use fertilizers and pesticides to help the plants grow and protect them from pests and diseases. Fruit picking or fruit harvesting is a seasonal activity that occurs during harvest time in areas where fruit is grown wild or grown in orchards. A claw pepper farm is a farm that specializes in growing the claw pepper plant, which is a type of chili pepper. The claw pepper is known for its heat and strong flavor and is often used in cooking and as a spice. The farming of claw pepper involves cultivating the plants, nurturing them to maturity, and harvesting the peppers for consumption or sale. This farming can be done in greenhouses, open fields, or vertical farms. The management of pests, diseases, irrigation, and fertilization is important for successful claw pepper farming. Bananas started to be traded internationally by the end of the 14th century. The development of railroads and technological advances in refrigerated maritime transport subsequently enabled bananas to become the most traded fruit in the world. A mango farm is a type of agricultural land or property where mango trees are grown for the purpose of harvesting and selling mango fruits. Mangoes are a popular fruit worldwide and are known for their sweet and juicy taste, making them a profitable crop for farmers in tropical and subtropical regions. Mango farms typically require warm climates with abundant rainfall, and the trees can take several years to reach maturity and start producing fruit. Once mature, mango trees can produce significant yields of fruit for many years, making mango farming a sustainable and profitable business. Mango farming involves various activities such as planting, pruning, fertilizing, pest management, and harvesting. Farmers must also ensure that their mangoes meet the required quality standards to attract buyers in the market. A pineapple farm is an agricultural property where pineapple plants are grown for commercial purposes. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that is widely consumed all over the world due to its sweet taste, high nutritional value, and health benefits. Pineapple farming is mainly carried out in tropical regions that have a warm climate, well-drained soils, and ample rainfall. Pineapple farming involves planting pineapple suckers, which are young pineapple plants that have been propagated from the crown of mature plants. These suckers are planted in well-prepared soil and require regular watering and fertilization to ensure healthy growth. Pineapple plants take about 18 to 24 months to mature and start producing fruit. Once the pineapples are mature, they are harvested by cutting the fruit from the plant with a knife. The harvested pineapples are then sorted, cleaned, and packed for distribution to local or international markets. Kiwi farming involves planting kiwi vines, which are propagated from cuttings or grafts taken from mature vines. These vines require a trellis or support system to grow on, and they need regular pruning and training to ensure maximum fruit production. Kiwi fruit takes approximately 3 to 5 years to mature and start producing a significant yield. Once the kiwi fruit is mature, it is harvested by hand picking or using specialized harvesting machinery. The harvested kiwi fruit is then sorted, graded, and packed for distribution to local or international markets. Kiwi farming requires significant manual labor, especially during the pruning, training, and harvesting stages. The use of technology, such as irrigation systems and farm machinery, can improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. The onion harvester is fitted with an inch-wide square shaft, which rotates in the opposite direction to the harvester, underground, just below the roots of the onions. This shaft loosens the onions and leaves them ready to be picked up. With the application of organic fertilizer before planting, onions can be grown successfully in heavy soils, and the land must be well prepared for onion planting. The optimum pH range is 6.0 to 7.5 regardless of soil type, but grow onions in slightly alkaline soils as well. With the global total onion production of 93,226,400 tons produced per year, the above figure depicts that China is the largest onion producer in the world with 24,040,509 tons of production volume per year, followed by India with 21,415,425 tons of yearly production. Cultivation of garlic involves several steps, including land preparation, planting, weeding, irrigation, fertilization, harvesting, and storage. The land should be plowed or worked to a depth of at least 8 to 10 inches and then flattened and ridged to create grooves. Plant the garlic cloves about 2 to 4 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart in rows 12 to 18 inches apart. The total world production for garlic in 2020 was 28,054,318 metric tons, up slightly from 28,042,647 tons in 2019. A green onion farm is a type of agricultural operation that specializes in growing green onions, also known as scallions or spring onions. Green onions are a popular vegetable in many cuisines around the world and are used in dishes ranging from soups and stews to salads and stir-fries. Green onion farms typically involve cultivating the plants in rows, using techniques such as drip irrigation and fertilization to optimize growth. Harvesting usually involves cutting the green onions at ground level with a sharp knife or scissors, and then cleaning and packaging them for transport to market. Onion factories use specialized equipment such as onion peelers, slicers, and dicing machines to process the onions efficiently. Quality control measures are in place to ensure that only fresh, high-quality onions are used and to prevent contamination during processing and packaging.